What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the daily grind. I apologize for being a bit late. I'm tired. I'm your host, Chump Change. It's live and recorded. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the live chat or in the comments after the fact. What's up, Patrick Guyan? How you doing, buddy? All Set Miner, Overboard Tech. Who else do we have here? Dakota Miner, Sloth Squash. What's up, dude? Kerry Chaos. Our Minds. What's up, dude? Get back to school. Or you're getting ready for school, one or the other. Leo Lusting. Good to see you, buddy. Hopefully you received those handles. I sent you an extra one, like I said. Let's see. Backwards Miner. What's up, buddy? I don't know if I already said that, but Crypto Mikkel, good to see you. Game with Smokey Dan, you're awesome. All right, let's see. What are we looking like today? So Bitcoin took a slight poop, right? But overall, I mean, 23,000 still holding pretty good to me. It's almost 24, you know? We were going to get rejected at 25, right? It's going to be a tough spot. I guess the only thing we could do is wait to see what happens over the weekend, right? Because that's kind of, you know, when the money flows into crypto, as far as I'm concerned anyways, because it can't really trade in the stock market, right? If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the live chat, please, and tag me if you don't mind. All right, let's see. Fear and Greed Index, 61. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's see. CoinGecko, how are we looking? Oh, Doge is out of the top 10. Uh-oh. Elon, not doing your job, man. What the hell is OKB? OKB. What is this? You guys hold this? What is this? OKB. Can you sell it everywhere? Yeah, it looks like it's around all the exchanges. Interesting. Holy shit. It's on a lot of places. Interesting. OKB. Let me see. What is the let's go back to the overview. Let's check out the chart. Let's go to max. I want to see. When did it start? So it came out in 2018. Bull run brought it up to 40 bucks. What the shit? So it's past its all-time high right now at 50 something bucks. Holy crap. That's crazy. That's insane. I wonder what happened with that. All right, let me check the chat, see if you guys know anything about it. Anybody know about OKB? Doesn't look like anybody said anything. Nice title. Nice title. What's that? Good morning or happy Friday or whatever I said. All right, let's we have some Ethereum news I want to go over, and then I do want to watch a video from Max Maher, but I don't know if we'll have time. I know his videos are a little long, so we'll see. If you guys are interested in that, we can check it out, but we'll read some stuff. I want to look into this OKB. I have no idea what it is. Well, giving Professor Chump 5 minutes, then work time. Dakota Miner, appreciate you, buddy. I'm sweating down here. It's hot as hell. I only have a sweatshirt on, like a friggin' psychopath. All right. Unlike merge, Ethereum's Shanghai upgrade could bring Ethereum price volatility. Let me make this a little bigger so you guys can see it. So this is from CoinDesk. Shout out to them. I will leave anything you guys see here today in the description below. This is the CoinDesk website. They also have a YouTube channel that we'll scour through in a few. Yeah, so institutional liquidity provider Orbit markets suggest buying an Ether volatility swap to profit and expected increase in price turbulence after the Shanghai upgrade. So this was posted on the 7th, let's say 17th? Yeah, damn, this is an hour ago. All right. Let's see. The next major catalyst for the crypto market is Ethereum Shanghai upgrade, scheduled in March. Will open up withdrawals for more than 16.5 million Ether staked in the blockchain. The impending upgrade comes months after the Ethereum blockchain underwent a technological overhaul dubbed the merge, switching to proof of stake consensus mechanism from a proof of work setting, which obviously most of us know here. Traders might remember that Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency by market value, did not see much volatility after the merge took place on September 15th, and conclude that the upcoming upgrade will be a non-event. However, such conclusions may prove inaccurate according to Orbit Markets, an institutional liquidity provider in digital assets opinions. It says this time could be different though. While the merge was a pure technological shift with no direct economic impact, the Shanghai upgrade will change the supply and demand of ETH both in short term and long term, and therefore capable of having a significant impact on the ETH price. Yang Ziming, I don't know how to say that, co-founder of Orbit Market and former head of derivatives for Asia Pacific at Deutsche Bank, told CoinDesk. Let me see real quick if you guys say anything in the chat. This looks like a long article. This is gonna be a long ass article. All right, the merge, as the name suggests, combined Ethereum's then proof of work blockchain with the proof of stake blockchain beacon chain. Proof of stake beacon chain. While the pivotal upgrade made Ethereum more environmentally friendly and put Ether on the path to becoming a deflationary cryptocurrency, or a deflationary currency rather, there was no immediate impact on the supply-demand dynamics of the cryptocurrency. Ether's price dropped 10% to 1472 on the day of the merge, but volatility quickly faded, with prices fading in a narrow range of 1300 to 1400 during the following 4 weeks. Ether's 30-day realized volatility fell from an annualized 85% to a nearly 60% in the 4 weeks following the merge. According to the data sourced by Amber Data, realized volatility is a backward-looking metric measuring the degree of price turbulence observed over a specific period in the past. The upcoming Shanghai upgrade could affect the demand-supply balance in the Ether market right away, keeping the cryptocurrency more volatile than it was in the weeks after the merge. Some 25 billion worth of ETH will become available for withdrawals and sale, which, in my opinion, is kind of concerning, to be honest, because what if everybody dumps it? How is that going to be like good for ETH? But anyways, with the staking yields expected to decrease following the upgrade, investors who previously staked may unstake and move their assets, offering better yields. Wait, and move to other assets. So they're saying they could swap out of ETH into something else. This would create a large selling pressure on the ETH's price Yeah, interesting. While the entire staking balance of more than 16.5 million ETH can't be withdrawn on the Shanghai upgrade day, the total staking rewards of more than 2 years, equating around 1 million ETH, can be instantly taken out, according to the Saxo Bank, or however you're supposed to say that. These ETH could be liquidated into the market, bringing the price volatility. Yeah, all right. Interesting. What do you guys think about that? Sorry, it was a little choppy. It's freaking early, man. I am so tired. I am so tired today. Miserable. Don't you love? I have 2 little kids, and they're both in my bed. I woke up like hanging off the edge of my bed because they like sleep sideways with their feet in your face. For some reason, they just gotta have their foot like right in your face. It's great. All right, let's see. Let's watch out. Let's check out Crypto Love's channel real quick. This guy does charting analysis, basically. If you guys want me to keep reading that Ethereum stuff, I can, but it's just, this is like, I guess it's really not much more. You know, let's just finish this, I guess. Ether volatility swap. It says Orbit Markets recently suggested an Ether volatility swap to profit from an expected increase in volatility in March. A volatility swap is a forward contract on the future realized volatility of an asset, allowing traders to bet on the degree of price moves rather than the directionality of prices. Stumbling over words. In traditional finance, swaps are primarily settled in cash based on the difference between the predetermined fixed volatility level called the volatility strike and the volatility realized / observed during the period under consideration. You can enter a March volatility swap, first fixing March 1st, last fixing March 31st, where you buy the swap at volatility strike of 70% volatility, capped at 170% and floored at 45%. Interesting. Your maximum gain is 100 vols and your maximum loss is capped at 25 vols. This is like over my head. Yeah, I'm done reading this. F this shit. I don't even know what the hell that means. You guys understand any of that? They said volatility like 1,000 times in one paragraph. No joke. All right, let's see. What are you guys saying? He started a new stream. What did I do? I'm still live, right? What's up? Little Time Mining. How you doing, buddy? Good to see you. All right. I want to watch Crypto Love's channel. He's a little excited about Bitcoin, usually. It says a Bitcoin flashed the 2019 signal. So let's see what he has to say. And then we'll get into a few other videos I have.
Today, greed at 61, down from yesterday's 62. The overall market's down 2.5%. Bitcoin at 23,797, Ethereum at 1666, BNB at 310, XRP 38 cents, Cardano 39 cents, Polygon $1.43, and Dogecoin 8 cents. And Bitcoin yesterday hit levels we were talking about exactly to a T, made it all the way up to this blue line, which was the high point from back here in August of 2022. Price hit that, got rejected, and came back down to potentially finding support right around that $23,000 area. Maybe this time it will be a longer term support. Right now, Bitcoin battling resistance on the lower band of the Bitcoin price temperature model, like the 4-year moving average. We can see historically this has been support, 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 and then we broke through it. This time it was resistance.
Hold on, you guys are all confusing me in the chat. Is everything good? What is happening? Is this shit still on? You guys still here in the chat? It straight up says I'm still live. Apparently not. Hold on. All right, now I gotta figure this out. Why is there two? What the fuck is happening? All right, so you guys are here. I'm in a different... What is happening? Did you guys just see that? Why do I have 2 lives? I didn't change anything. YouTube's glitching out today. That's fucked up. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't even realize it swapped streams. I'm like reading the chat. Like, why is no one talking? I got to get back in my studio. Give me a second. Because now I want to see what the hell's going on. Why do I have 2 lives? Look at this. Why? why. I'm going to turn the monetization on, even though it's not going to affect you guys. But what the hell? That's so weird. Why did it change? Bitcoin holding strong. That's not the one I'm on. This is so fucked up. Well, anyways. All right. I apologize, guys. I don't know what the hell's going on YouTube this morning. That's weird. I didn't change anything. I was just reading shit. I didn't even click anything. If I hit the space bar, maybe I'd understand, but what the fuck? All right. Hold on. Let me just fix this. I guess I don't know why it says upcoming still. Live now. Like, that's so fucking weird. Anyways, apologize, guys. All right. Let me pull out the chat so I can read you guys. The Discord ping again. Also, that's so fucking weird. I'm on the Bitcoin holding strong stream. Yeah, that's so weird, man. It shouldn't be on that. I don't know what the hell happened. Because it says I've been live for 16 minutes, and this stream has not been up 16 minutes, right? Oh, it does. It says I started at 8 a.m. That's so fucking weird. Whatever. Anyways, guys, apologize. Not gonna delete that in Discord. All right, let's watch this while I freaking fix this shit.
Resistance once and resistance once again. Could Bitcoin break through there this time? Everyone's asking the same question, but it looks like Bitcoin is back above the hodler's average purchase price, the long-term holder cost basis. Each time previously, Bitcoin has broken above the long-term holder cost basis, which is this black dotted line. That has been the beginning of the bull run. Right now, breaking through there, potentially 3 times in a row. This could signal the beginning of the bull run. Right now, reserve risk is at the lowest levels ever. Conviction amongst long-term Bitcoin holders still rock solid, even with this at the lowest levels. This chart is very interesting. Bitcoin miner revenue in relation to difficulty. Rewards for proving hash rate have recently hit lows like last cycle and last halving. Currently in an
Geek of all trades, shut up.
Important line right here. Currently in an uptrend.
I hate you.
If we take a look, this moving average of the miner revenue adjusted difficulty.
Stop drinking Red Bull.
We can see that the last 2 times it went from going down to going up. That was pretty much the bottom.
I can't even pay attention to this. I can't even enjoy my morning coffee watching this guy chart shit. You guys even paying attention to this? So y'all just laughing at me. What's going on here? No, it's dude. I don't know what the hell happened. It's so weird. I've never had that happen. It just skips streams on me. I mean, I've killed my own stream with the space bar, as you guys know, but
change from going down to going up. Bottom was in at beginning of the bull run. Well, you can see right here, change from going down to going up. Bottom is in beginning of the bull run. Altcoins right now, the first time the altcoin market has been above the 200-day moving average in over a year. Long time since the beginning of 2022. Retest beautiful so far. Bounced above, found support, bouncing off of there. Potentially, we might see massive rallies like when this happened previously, because altcoins have risen significantly higher after the 200-day moving average line has held. Right now, once again, repeating history with the 50 SMA on the 3-day chart. So you can see resistance, 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 and then breaking through. Well, we had resistance, resistance, resistance before breaking through and massive rally to ensue. Last chart we're going to talk about here until we get to the 2 big crosses that could signal major gains for Bitcoin. First one right here is the W3 RSI crossing in the 14 SMA. So the 3-week on the 14 SMA, we can see historically these crosses have lined up perfectly with very significant Bitcoin rallies. Now, are we going to have immediately a parabolic rally? Maybe not. We might have a beginning rally, kind of like we saw back here in the beginning of 2015, because it is still a bit far out from the halving. But we have some very interesting
streams
things
as
coming
Carl
up soon.
Coat.
Right now, short-term holder cost basis in purple is starting to curl up.
This is kind of the same shit we see all the time. Real quick, Little Time Mining, thanks for the 199 super chat. He said Bull Run Mang 2023. I hope so. I hope so. It'd be nice.
Previously happened towards the bottom.
I mean, a lot of people, like it, I said the other day, there was that article 56K in September. I wonder if it'll happen, but I think we'll see some crazy shit go on between here and then, right? So it'll probably go upwards of, I don't know what, 30K, and then everybody will sell it again in May, and then, you know, selling may go away, people say. But we'll see.
Could we have a bull cross soon where the short-term holder in purple crosses above the long-term holder in Blue, this has been very, very
Nerd Beast
bullish,
said, I wish you would include the
historically
halving
very,
events in the
very
charts.
bullish.
Yeah,
Each
so
time this has
he
happened
does
has been
sometimes.
an amazing
Certain charts.
signal. You can see.
So what Crypto Love does is he goes through like Twitter and shit and like TradingView, whoever posts these photos, and then he kind of analyzes them. So shout out to him again. I'll leave his channel in the description below. I'm so mad about that freaking stream. Kicking to a different stream. That's so fucking weird. Anyways, I was watching this. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Max Maher. He's almost got like 1 million subs, but they're banning crypto is one of his videos he had started or he did yesterday, I guess. I think it was 20 hours ago. Yeah, he posted 20 hours ago. It's 11 minutes and 16 seconds, so we could watch that in just a second. Let's see real quick what Satoshi Stacker says first, and then we'll go ahead and get into Max Maher's video. And if you guys have any questions, obviously we could talk about anything. I figure this afternoon what we'll do is like AMA stuff, and we'll go over like profitabilities of machines and I don't know, whatever. Or we could talk about AI stuff this afternoon. So it's really up to you guys. I'll put a poll in the chat and see what you guys want to do. But I found some pretty interesting AI videos, and yeah, I think it's kind of neat, interesting to me anyway. So let's see what this Satoshi Stacker guy says, and we'll go from there.
Why did we dump yesterday? Was this it? Is this now the end of the bullish phase we've been in? Guys, today I'm going to talk about the reason why we dropped yesterday. I will also give you my exact strategy, what I'm personally taking action on right now in the crypto space. I will tell you, just like I said, about the reason why we dropped, and also show you something really interesting, because the most amount of people has actually been wrecked recently. So this is something you will want to pay attention to. So welcome back, everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate that bell. Guys, let's get straight into it. So what do we see here? Well, yesterday you can see that we actually, although you know that the orange box and the orange line, these are very key levels to pay attention to. In fact, I was thinking that with this bullish trend, you know, this consolidation, I thought that this area at 24,800 in general was gonna be an area, a likely area for us to have a pullback on. Now, what I will also say is that this entire move was looking bullish. So as you know, yesterday I was in a long trade from the lower levels here, actually exactly from this orange line here, but I didn't take profit. I wanted to hold it a little bit longer because this was a bullish looking trend, but we always knew that this was a strong level of resistance, which is also why on this trading bot, which we opened up a couple of weeks ago, we did have the $24,800 level as the upper range kind of it was gonna trade. So I will get back to the performance of this bot and explain it more soon. But for now,
That's kind of neat.
okay, what did we see? We struggled to break through this. We finally broke through it. We're trying to make this as support. And then we did see the data come out. The data we saw was actually that the the producer price index, which is basically the inflation among producing stuff. And of course, if it's more costly to produce stuff, it is going to add into the inflation as well. Now, this was estimated to come in at 0.4%. It actually came in at 0.7. The PPI, excluding food and energy, also increased 0.5. Expectation were a 0.3% increase. So you can see that the producer price index, the cost of producing goods, came in higher than the expectations, and this is why we did see this drop. Now, what I will say is that in general, if you've been following my recent videos, you know I've been wary of inflation actually going up a little bit for this particular month. In general, I've been saying that the inflation is going to come down. It has been going down. If you look at my strategy video from several months ago, then that is actually still very relevant right now if you want to watch it, because everything I'm thinking right now is still the same as I was thinking back then. But yes, the inflation has gone down. But for this particular data that have been coming out recently, like the last 2-3 days, I was expecting the inflation to potentially come in higher than expectations, and this is what you saw. And so we did see this drop here. But guys, I'm still bullish on the market. I cannot say it in any other way. I'm still bullish on the market, and I am still expecting us to be in this range, like 21,600 up to 24,800. So for us to consolidate and trade for a little while inside of this range, which is of course why we have this bot set up. But long term, we're approaching this white line. You already know about this, but I want to pinpoint it again. So this is at the white line, approximately somewhere around this white line. I do think that that is when we are gonna start to really go into bull mode here. So we're getting close to it right now, not entirely there yet. But
that's kind of interesting. So there's other people that have reservations about May, right? Selling May and go away. He's saying that, huh? That's
time is passing by and we're getting closer for every day that passes by. So this is absolutely fantastic. I'm so stoked for the crypto markets, guys. We are going to be able to make a lot of money here in this crypto market. In fact, even in this bear market.
I guess only time will tell. Not going to get too crazy. All right, let's watch Max Maher's video and I will talk to you guys in the chat. I put a poll up as well if you guys are interested. So 46% of you said let's do AI. Other people say something else, 32%, and 21 say just go over ASICS. I'm gonna leave the poll up, but let's let's see. Let's watch this video. I'm gonna not full screen it like that just because I don't want to get in trouble if I can. I don't know.
Imagine you can't transfer your money where you want. Imagine things you buy are tightly controlled and monitored. Imagine the money you've worked so hard to earn can be taken from you at a moment's notice, leaving you at the mercy of the thieves who took it. And now your money's trapped within a country you now desperately want to escape, but can't. This might sound like something out of a sci-fi nightmare, but it's actually closer to home than you'd
Again, this is that guy, Max Maher. I'll leave his channel down in the description.
think. And it's tied to the reason that countries all around the world are banning cryptocurrencies, from figures like the Taliban all the way to global superpowers. And if it spreads to us, it'll affect every single element of your finances and what you're free to do with those finances. Meaning that nightmare I described at the start of this video could just be your life. So to help understand what's going on and why, I'm gonna run you through this nightmare and the countries behind it. And to start,
yeah, he's a little dramatic, not gonna lie, but his editing, or his editor, there's no way he does this. He pays somebody to do it for sure. It's fantastic, so I can't really give him any shit about that. And yes, Crypto Mikkel, I'm sorry, I don't know what happened in that freaking stream. I'm gonna pull it aside. Actually, I gotta figure out what the hell to do with this thing. I gotta fix it. I don't know why it double streamed on me. All right, let's go.
I want you to do something you hopefully don't usually do. I want you to imagine you're a dictator. Here's the situation. You've schemed, planned, and murdered your way to the top. It's taken years, but now you rule the country. The military and the police are on your side. Political rivals have been imprisoned, tortured, or disappeared. Key institutions have been overrun and controlled. Your puppet, the state media, plays stories of your heroism, brainwashing large chunks of the population into worshiping you as a great man. The young male population absolutely loves you. Some magazines even call you a sex symbol. You're the man, the problem solver. You're here to make their lives better. You're the king. And it feels good. Feels damn good, doesn't it? You've always known you were great, destined to rule. Why else would you kill to reach the top? This is what you're supposed to be doing. But you've also done your homework. You've studied your Hitlers, your Stalins. You know how precarious dictatorships can be. They can fall apart at any instant if you're not careful. You've got to keep your inner circle rich and happy. And you've got to consolidate power so that nobody tries to take yours, which is where the bad news comes in. You see, the international community isn't so hot on you taking over a country. The IMF, World Bank, and the USA just sanction the hell out of you. Your cronies are nervous, your people are hungry, and your bank account's a little too slim for your likings. But if you don't take action soon, your currency is going to become unstable. People are going to become desperate. And well, you've seen what happens to dictators when the people fight back. God, no, you don't want that to happen. It's time to act fast. Execute some radicals. A beheading is always a strong choice. Send in the riot squads, rubber bullets, real bullets. Who cares? Either would send a message. So what do? You order it all. But you go a step further. You get the state media blaming Americans for interference, and you start seizing capital throughout your country. You gotta get that cash, right? Businesses, bank accounts, property, sure, they belong to other people, but
Alexander, because I have nothing else to talk about. If you have something you want to talk about, put it in the chat, and that's what we'll do. All right. I just want to see, this video seemed interesting to me, and I'm trying to clean up my second stream because it decided to double on my ass.
You're in charge, aren't you? The people and the property belong to you. And this is what's best for them. I mean, you know how to put the money to good use. To help smooth this transition, you make it illegal for people to deal in any currency other than your own. And you hammer that home by making it illegal to move money outside of your borders, keeping wealth, that is, your wealth, inside your country. That's where you can get your hands on it and spend it whenever you want. You'll never have money worries again. Slowly, your accounts will start topping back up. Your palace becomes greater. Your harem of terrified yet beautiful wives gains more members. And your military, who you arm and empower with your money, grows even more loyal. Things are looking great. But then, you hear it. Some of your subjects are managing to sneak their money out of the country, right under your nose. This is not okay. Someone is going to die for this. The police tell you that citizens are using a new form of digital currency to evade your laws and even international sanctions. They say aside from shutting down the internet, there's not really anything they can do. But as long as they can use this digital currency, or cryptocurrency as we're told it's called, they keep running off with your money. And the banks which you control can't stop them. These currencies are independent.
Who remembers that movie when he drops the soap in the shower? This is the best. Anyways, yeah, he does, like I said, he hypes shit up quite a bit, right? A little over dramatic, but his videos are good nonetheless.
Decentralized. But what can you do? Like, you can't just shut down the internet. It's too embedded into your infrastructure. You need it. You don't really get how this works. You can't just let them get away with this disrespect to your authority. You know what to do with their money. They don't. It's simple. You're the supreme leader. They're not. But then you remember, you might not know crypto, but you know fear. So you do what you do best. You send in the military, the police, your hitmen. You raid crypto mines. You bust exchanges. You capture and kill people trading in illegal online currencies. And you let it be known through that law and your violent suppression that crypto is banned. You tell people crypto's too volatile. You tell them it's gambling. You tell them you're banning it to protect them. And just like that, everyone's scared. Nobody's touching crypto. Trapped in fiat currency. All their money, yours again. To do whatever you want. How was my dictator performance? Good enough? Now, this all might sound crazy, but it's not as far-fetched as you'd think. As I'll show you in a minute, plenty of countries are doing this right now. The way you interact with money right now isn't based on some inalienable, unalterable right that you possess as a human. If you live in a Western democracy with a high degree of freedom, you can use this money basically any way you like. You can move it to Switzerland, New Zealand, wherever. You can invest in just about anything you want, from index funds to $1,000 JPEGs. But this can change pretty fast. When the power shifts...
You guys into NFTs? Anybody here? That's absolutely awful. I can't stand it. It drives me nuts.
And those in power have different ideas about how you should use your money. Your options can dwindle terrifyingly fast, leaving you at the mercy of your government. As long as they control the laws of financial institutions, there's nothing you can do about it. They'll explain it away as protecting their currency, keeping capital in the nation, or protecting you from gambling or scams. But at the heart of it is the same. You have less financial freedom and your money is trapped. It doesn't take much to imagine how much this would suck to live in, how imprisoned and vulnerable you'd feel not being able to spend your money how you want or invest it how you want. And this is where crypto comes in. Although it's imperfect and relatively new, crypto offers a backdoor in situations like this. It's based on the blockchain, it's decentralized, so it isn't connected to any government or financial institution. Meaning if you want to use it to move your money outside of a dangerous authoritarian country, you can. Which means it's no surprise that authoritarian countries want to ban this stuff. They want to control you to maintain power and enrich themselves. Now, remember when I said certain countries were doing this already? Take a look. According to the most recent report by the Library of Congress, these are the countries that have an outright ban on cryptocurrencies. An outright or absolute ban is when the government forbids all use. No exchanges, no hodling, buying, selling, lending, borrowing, nothing involving crypto. And interestingly, all of the countries with bans on crypto have one major thing in common. Let's see if you can guess it as I'm going through the list. The first is Afghanistan. When the US withdrew from Afghanistan, the Taliban took over instantly. They seized the country and shut down crypto straight away, which was an interesting choice as crypto actually offered the Taliban a way to get around international sanctions, but they banned it for two reasons. First, crypto violates Islamic financial practices, basically equating crypto investments to gambling. Okay, understandable. Second, they say crypto is often used in fraudulent activity, so you shouldn't use it. You know, because fiat currency and gold have never been used in any fraudulent activity.
Right. Fraudulent activity. Every currency on the planet has been used in fraudulent activity. Not just Bitcoin, not just crypto, gold, money, everything.
Activities ever. It's kind of hard to believe all of this when you consider the Taliban has been funding its operations for years by growing and selling heroin, and recently branched out into meth. Anyway, just a month ago, the Taliban began enforcing their crypto ban by raiding between 16 and 20 crypto exchanges in Herat, the country's third largest city. They closed the exchanges and arrested the owners, a far cry from the pre-Taliban takeover of Afghanistan, where crypto use was widespread and growing. But now the message is clear. Stay away from crypto.
Let's say China. China.
But don't be fooled into thinking it's just small powers up to this anti-crypto business. China's central bank completely banned crypto last September. The bank's official reason was also because of crypto's use in illicit activities, and because they wanted to protect Chinese investors from such a volatile asset. But that's not the whole story. Chinese citizens were using crypto to move wealth outside of the country. A Chainalysis report estimates that nearly $50 billion in crypto left China between 2019 and 2020. This is a big.
That's weird, right? I never really thought about it like that. It would be very bad, I guess, for that economy, right? To have the money flow into something else and basically go out of the country. Interesting.
No, in China. Preventing money from leaving the country is a top priority for the government.
Yeah.
If you're a Chinese citizen, your money is kind of trapped. You're not allowed to send more than $50,000 overseas each year. But crypto gave citizens the freedom to dodge this rule until it was banned. Nepal's central bank deemed crypto too much of a fraud.
How do they really ban it though? Like, is it just if you get caught using it? Like, how do you ban crypto, something that people don't really control, right? I don't know.
Risk when declaring their ban last year. And they also have a fear of capital outflow as well. At least they were honest about that one. The laws here are extremely strict. They warn citizens, foreign nationals in Nepal, and even
really
Nepalis living overseas that they would be prosecuted if they were found to be, quote, dabbling in virtual currencies. An insanely strict law considering crypto purely amounts to a speculative investment. I wonder why they're so strict. Moving along to the Middle East, we have Qatar. They decided to ban most crypto trading in the country to, quote, protect the existing banking system. The government cited fears that fraud and other illicit activities of cryptocurrencies could damage their financial sector. What's weird here is tokens considered to be securities are not included in the ban. Did you notice the theme? Why would a country want to stop you doing what you want with your money? It's actually pretty simple. The desire to maintain power.
I mean, that's kind of obvious, right?
Probably the most common reason for imposing crypto bans was to protect the traditional finance system at all costs, which means, in simple terms, protect the status quo, the system that keeps those in charge, and those under.
Exactly why they went after staking with Kraken. Like, they need to maintain control of everything. And if they're not getting a piece of it, they're not maintaining control. You know what I mean?
Under the boot. Disruptive technologies like crypto that offer an alternative to the boot aren't welcome. And it's no surprise that China, Afghanistan, and Qatar are all authoritarian countries listed as not free. Only Nepal fares slightly better, coming in at partly free. For those countries, people having the ability to store, send, and receive money without permission disrupts a precious system of theirs. It takes away the power to dictate what people can or can't do with their money. Now, another reason cited for bans was to protect users from fraudulent activity, but recent studies have shown that the percentage of fraudulent transactions using fiat currencies far outweigh those of the crypto variety. So until these countries can bring down the fraud in the traditional market to less than the crypto market, I just don't really buy their claim that banning crypto will protect their citizens from fraud. What do you think?
Yeah, that makes absolutely zero sense to me. Absolutely zero sense. I want to watch this video later today. This one, if you could see from him as well. Again, shout out to Max Maher. His channel is fantastic. He's almost got 1 million subs. Go check him out. I'll leave it down in the description. But there's an AI video here, and the one we watched with DJ, the other, in one of my other streams, it was friggin' fantastic. It was absolutely fantastic. I forget who the guy was, but I'll find it again this afternoon. All right, let's see. What else do you guys want to talk about? Mr. Matt Electron actually sent over some information on this coin right here. Have you guys heard of this thing? This MVC space coin? I guess it's fairly new. How long How long's it been around? How do you tell? I forget. Let me turn on the music. If you guys have any questions, just at me in the chat. Sorry, I'm trying to get with trying to wake up here, I guess. That double stream really threw me all off this morning. All right, let's you know what, let's go to new coins. How do we do that? New coins. Let's see. So 35 days. 35 days. If you guys don't know, this is miningpoolstats.stream. This is where you can find all brand new mineable coins, basically. All different algorithms right here. This is the SHA-256. He was explaining to me I could mine this with the brand new or redone S9 that I just painted in yesterday's video. But interesting. There's so many coins, man. Bitfish coin. What is Bitfish? Sounds like a scam. These all sound like scams. Except for this one, obviously. Mr. Matt Electron, obviously. You would never steer me in the wrong direction. Best financial advice over on Matt Electron's channel if you guys are interested. Totally kidding. But what do you guys think about this? Anybody heard about this? Let me see. How do you is there a website? Am I gonna get a friggin' virus if I click on this? We'll find out. Oh boy. Oh boy. What's happening? All right. Site looks legit. Doesn't really look like anything too sketchy, I guess. Are you guys into new coins? Does anybody mine shit coins here besides Matt Electron? All right, so 51% of you said yes, AI is future. Let's talk about that this afternoon. So we'll go over a few different things this afternoon. I have some stuff I want to talk about. We'll talk about some AI stuff and then a few other things, but we'll do like an AMA type deal this afternoon. Appreciate you guys for voting. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let's see. Matt Electron, if you click through this whole website, I don't want to get a friggin' virus or some shit. The most scalable blockchain in theory. This is the key word right there, folks. In theory. MVC can store data and execute smart contracts on one blockchain with no limit. It can outperform all existing blockchains by providing the ultimate scaling solution. Decentralized identity, DID, is the foundation of Web3 applications. MVC's built-in Layer 1 DID solutions ensures data ownership and app interoperability. MVC is scalable blockchain for 8 billion users with Layer 1 DID and high-performance smart contract. Let's see. I'm only looking into this because Matt Electron forwarded it to me. And I value his opinion on things. So it's worth a gander anyways. I'm just trying to scroll through the site and see how much work they actually put into this thing. Has anybody looked into this? Probably created by ChatGPT, said Carl Code. Yeti, yeah, I'll keep you posted, buddy. I have a few things I want to watch, video-wise. And then we'll just have a conversation about it. But I will, if we do we might just do a video. We'll see. Depends how much time I have. The kids are going to be tough today. I have a few things I have to run around and do. Hash rates. What? This hash rate on this thing that much already? What is that? How do you even read that? That's crazy. Interesting. 7 petahash on this? Really? I'm confused. Why is there so many people into this right now? Is it just me, or is that like kind of taking a shot in the dark? You guys into these things? Let me see. I'm gonna put a poll in the chat. I want to know, do you guys come to this site and mine these coins? Because that would be that'd be kind of interesting to know, actually. Do you mine new coins from miningpool.stream? Oh, miningpoolstats.stream. I would like to know if you guys do, because this is kind of Man, there's like, I feel like there's new coins all the time. So these are the under 90 days, I believe. Estimated age, yeah, you can see all these coins right here, under 90 days old. Last one on the list is 57. All proof of work coins, let's see. I mean, there's gonna be a shit ton on here, obviously. These are all, a lot of these we've heard of, you know, obviously. Top coins, there's, yeah. No chance, not gonna scroll through all those. But the new coins, I mean, those are, you can make some serious gains in new coins, but the probability of them being legit is the question. That's just my opinion. What do you guys think? Slim Pickens Mining said, I've been rotating a few random coins there for the last couple of months, getting small bags of each, just holding for now. Slim Pickens, that's what Matt Electron was saying the other day. And it's pretty interesting. Let's see. Nerdbeast said, you all keep jumping on one coin to the next. I will keep on mining Caspa. Hell yeah, dude. Nice. Nice. Caspa's I mean, I don't mind Caspa, so yeah, I don't know. But I heard it is very efficient. And it's still under a penny, but it's up 2.3%, so that's cool. Did it take a little? No, it didn't really pull back much. Not really. Interesting. So how much so what are you mining Caspa with, if you don't mind me asking? What do you have? Is it just a full rig? Is it a couple cards, like a PC? What do you got? Because I want to know what the yield is. Cass is bullish in my opinion. Let's see. Nope, I don't want to do that. Caspa. Let's just go to their website and see. So Caspa is the fastest open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer 1 in the world. The world's first block DAG, a digital ledger enabling parallel blocks and instant transaction confirmation. Built on a robust proof of work engine with rapid single-second block intervals. Built by industry pioneers, led by the people. Man, I've been like debating if I should start mining Caspa. I have been. But where can, all right, let's where can it be sold? I mean, not that it really matters because I have, all right, so Trade Ogre, CoinX, MEXE, and TXBit. I have, I mean, I have Flux. I can't sell anyways, so I only use Coinbase, but you can swap it out, I think, right? Should be able to swap for different coins, which is pretty cool. But I mean, yeah, I heard it's super efficient on like GPUs and stuff like that, so we'll see. Mining crypto is like a relationship. You can't sleep around. You have to stay loyal to one girl, for better or worse. It's like a frequent flyer miles. This is Yankee. I'm not sure how that works. Trade Ogre is lovely. I've never I don't have an account. I should probably make an account though. It just makes me nervous. Let's see. Why does that not take you over there? Trade Ogre. Yeah. Let's go to that. So, wow, it's up 7.14%. Nice. Yeah, I should probably make an account over here just so I could sell some stuff, because you could sell like everything here, but the only thing that like makes me sketched out about these exchanges is they feel like they just take on everything, and it's like, if I could stress anything, please don't leave money on these exchanges. Like, that is the biggest thing, right? But do you have to KYC and stuff on Trade Ogre? I assume you would have to, right? Good morning, Boinker. Good to see you, buddy. Pocket must be busy with little chump right now. Yeah, she is. She's got she's getting ready for work, and she's got the kids up. I can hear them running around right now. No, actually, I want to see what he said. What was he mining it with? What was he mining it with? 6 times 3060s, 5 1660 supers, and 4 3070 Ti's. Nerd Beast. Now, question: what is the yield? What do you get for a coin per day? Do you know? Like, roughly? EK said Caspa 63060 Ti's, 23070s, 218.3 coins a day. Okay. 218.3 coins a day. All right, let's get the calculator open. Let's see. Oh, you guys can't see that. Shit. Why can't you see that? That's weird. Anyways. All right, I'm gonna type that. So 218.3 times 0.007, right? So you're looking at like $1.50 a day, depending on how much you. NerdBeast said 320 to 350 coins. All right, so you're looking at about, I don't know, you probably NerdBeast about $2 a day. But how much is it for you to run? Like, are the cards running like high electricity? Did anybody say that? I know it's pretty efficient, right? If I'm not mistaken. Pretty sure Casp is pretty efficient. But oh, Chris Hanley, what did he say? I legit have a brand new 3070 Ti in my new machine. Said I wouldn't mind on it, but should I throw it on Caspa? 11 cents kilowatt hour. Chris Hanley, I mean, that's up to you. It's really gauge if you want to pay the electricity. That's really the whole, thing about it. All right, I'm gonna go AMA for a couple more minutes. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to hit that like button, please. And god damn it, I've been in top chat this whole time. That's so aggravating. All right, do you mind new coins from mining pool stats.stream? I asked in the chat. 67% said no. 33% said yes. So a few of you guys are just getting bags and holding them. I hope you guys all become rich. I really do. It makes me nervous. I mean, like, to run each coin for like a day or so just to get a bag is a different story than running it for like weeks. You know what I mean? Little Snaggy said 0 coin has gone up a lot for shitcoin. I don't know. 69 votes. Nice. 2 people said that. Good morning. I'm awake. New England crypto. At least one of us are, because I'm not. I'm so tired, bro. You don't even know. I double streamed this morning. I don't know what the hell's happening. Terrible. But I'll be back this afternoon. I got 100 Bitfish this morning. UK Miners Club. Nice, dude. Bitfish seems pretty, I don't know. I just think people need to stop ripping off other names. Like, anything with bit or, like, just, I don't know. I just feel like the Bitcoin, like, knockoffs that, like, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, like, all this shit that tries to live off the hype of other names, I hate it. Like, so if it starts with bit, like, I'm not even close to it. Like, just get away from me, because I feel like it's just a scam immediately every time. I don't know, that's my opinion. We stayed up till 4 a.m. playing StarCraft 2. Crackhead hours, DJ? Jesus. 4 a.m., bro. F that. No thanks, dude. I passed it at like 11. I was beat. On mobile. Too tired to type, dude. I know, I bet. Are you on the way down there yet, Mr. New England Crypto? You driving down to Florida yet? To go to Terra Hosting? I saw your video yesterday. It's pretty good. Pretty good, buddy. They're all naff, but worth having a little bags just in case. Yeah, no, I agree. You're an old man now, dude. These kids, man, they wear you down. It's rough. Why turn off the Jazz Miner? You're hitting blocks. Keep that thing going. So, Steven, I know. I thought about it. I feel like I should. So I got the X4Q under here, and that's why it's hot as balls in this office right now, or studio right now. But I don't know. I just, if it stops hitting blocks, then it's really not profitable, right? So I'm trying to see if the X4Q can handle it by itself, and if I'll continue to hit blocks or not. And if not, I'll plug it back in. I mean, we'll see. Looking at BTC, LTC, Doge, KDA. Megan, what's going on? Let's see. DJ Mines told you to DM him. All right, let me see. What else do we have for questions in the chat? I'm just scrolling through to see if I missed anything before we get out of here. No KYC for Trade Ogre, really? Interesting. There's no KYC for Trade Ogre. How does that work? Man, I'm so used to KYC and like Kraken and Coinbase. I think you have to take a screenshot of your license or something and a picture of you and send it in. Like, you gotta take like a selfie. It's weird. I forget. I'm pretty sure that's how it was. 1K to spend on an ASIC. Which would you choose? All right, this is gonna be the last question because I have to look now. Let's see. 1K. Let's go to Jingle mining, I guess. We'll just look. I just want to see. I'm not picking anywhere specific over any other. This is used, but I don't know. If you could get it for $1,000, maybe I'd probably go with this, the Jazz Miner. But at the same time, like, what's the DAG size calculator? DAG size calculator. Let's see. I think it's only good till like, let's see, 2028, roughly estimated block date will be 2028 for that thing. So get about whatever 5 years out of it. So I mean, if hopefully ETC pumps, I'd probably pick up a Jazz Miner if I could for $1,000. Let's see. Belay mining. Let's just look at them for shits. See what they got. What do you guys think? What would you guys get for $1,000? See, like all these mini miners, man, like you know what though? Looking at this right now. Hold on, 130, 280, 300. Maybe 2 of these. But at the same time, like these are super not really I mean, they're efficient, but like they're nothing to ride home about, right? Because you're like, it's gonna be like 200 something watts. Like these things take up roughly around the same as the Jazz Miner, and the Jazz Miner's like 500 and something hash. Apologize, yawning. But yeah, this is just I don't know. Let's see what you guys are saying in the chat. I mean, you could get 2 of those for the price of 1, obviously, but again, yeah, and the RAMs, I think the RAM's 5 gigabytes on those. No, I lied. Holy shit, it's only 3.6. Wow, that's terrible. I didn't know it was only 3.6. Hold on, let me look. I'll show you guys. 3.6. That's awful. Yeah, you only get a year. F those things. Those are gonna be straight doorstops. Wow, that's miserable. Never mind. Sorry, bro. Don't buy those. That seemed like a good deal until someone said that in the chat. So shout out to you. Holy hell, that would have been terrible. Yeah, don't get that. That's a bad day. Don't get the iPolos. That is a waste of money. Just buy X5 or X6 demining. Let's see. X5 ASIC, right? Oh yeah, that's that. All right, hold on 1 second, and then the X6, and I'll pull up the screen. Okay. So is that it? The X6? I never even looked at this one before. Fusion silicon. I mean, not making money on that. That's according to ASIC miner value, but this is the this X5, right? So it does gold, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and all these mineable coins right here. But how much is it? Let's see. Yeah, but see, these are like, I'm sure you can find deals on friggin' eBay. I wonder. Let me see. Let me just check eBay real quick, and then we're getting out of here. X5 ASIC, right? If it would type, what the hell? Let's see. All right, so X5 up to 1 gigahash. There's 850 mega hashes. Buy it now, $1,200. 1,500. You can find maybe not. That's it. Let me buy a pair of shorts if you'd like. Yeah, I mean, you can find deals on eBay. Just be careful, guys, please. Make sure they have like a bunch of sales, I guess, or reviews, right? Stars, whatever the hell they do on eBay. Does anybody use eBay anymore? I don't even know. I want to go to ASIC. Not that one. God, find the ASIC. I hate the name of the site. It's just terrible. Let's go to the X5 and just see. Yeah, so you're losing money on these things either way. So they have an 850 mega hash model versus a 1.36. Let's see. Depending on what your electric rate is, mine's 25, right? So 25, I'm losing $6 a day. That's gross. Where are you profitable? You're only profitable at 6 cents. 6 cents you're only profitable, and that's 4 cents you're making. So you got to sell literally your entire bag to pay for this thing. It's up to you guys at the end of the day, but I don't know, man. I don't know. It's a dumbass name, but the site is okay. Yeah, Digital Fortress, I agree. Appreciate you being a member, buddy. Appreciate it. Depends on your electric rate as well. Most important thing for those ASICs. Yeah, so you always have to look at the electric rate, because that's what will make or break the situation when it comes to buying new ASICs, used ASICs, old ASICs. You know what I mean? Unless, like, you know, you have a reason. Again, I still have to make that video. I got to record it probably this weekend about mining at a loss. So I know there was another YouTuber that I think it was Mining Stacker or something like that. He made a good video of, actually DJ reviewed it too in his video, of mining at a loss. And, you know, if you have other means or reasons to be mining at a loss, like heating your house like I am, it's, you know, it makes sense. Even though I'm still making money at, like with the L7, right, at 25 cents, it still makes money, but it's heating my house as well. So it's kind of a win-win for me. If I wasn't making anything off the L7, then it would kind of be, I don't know. I'd kind of have to flip a coin to see if it was worth it for me to actually mine and heat my house. That makes sense. Alan said 2x Octos 8 GPU and 12 CMP 90HX 2900. Is that a good deal? I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me look. You'll need the heat from that L7 tomorrow. I hope not, man. I hope not. Matt Electron, does that sound like a good deal to you? Octos, 8 GPU, and a 12. So he said 2 OCTOMINERs, 8 GPU, and 12 CMP 90 HX, $2,900. NVIDIA GPUs, is that what they are? Man, I don't know. I've never dug into those GPUs, to be honest. I assume it's loaded with those, though. Interesting. I don't know. I don't know. Average price, said Matt Electron. I'm not into buying GPUs or anything right now, so it's kind of, I've been out of like searching for prices, to be honest. I mean, we could search things, obviously. If you guys want to talk about this afternoon, we can do that too. All right, I gotta get the hell out of here, guys. I gotta get to the post office, mail a package of an order from the Misfit Mining store. So I appreciate you guys for that, whoever ordered. And yeah, I'll see you guys later on this afternoon around 2 p.m. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day and happy Friday. I'll catch you soon. Peace. Hit that like on the way out, please.